Hey all, welcome back to the SBD Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with another Nykaa haul, and Nykaa had this Christmas sale for some limited edition stuff for skincare, and they actually had Innisfree had their holiday collection limited edition for Christmas launched, but we don't have a store in Hyderabad, so it was very difficult, that I was upset that I couldn't get my hands on these. But luckily Nykaa had it on their website, and also they had some offers, great offers, so I thought I'll get my hands on it. So I have picked up few of the limited collections, so let us just jump into this. So the first thing I picked up is a super volcanic clay museum mask set. This is a holiday limited edition. I like the packaging and it's really pretty, and it actually is of 1450, but you get products worth of 2000, more than 2000. So this is all you get in this holiday limited edition kit. You get this clay mask. I actually bought this when I went to Delhi to Innisfree store. I gave it to my sister. I didn't had one for myself, so I thought I'll pick this up because I have noticed blackheads on my nose area. So this is a super volcanic clay museum mask, and has micro clay in it, and it is like best rated product of Innisfree. So yes, this is I think they also have clay mask, but I picked up museum mask. This comes in this one, and along with this you also get these other 3 products. So this is the second one in this kit. It is the Innisfree super volcanic pore clay mask. This is a museum mask and this is a pore clay mask, and it's actually not a full size, it's a sample size product, so you can see how the consistency is. I'm super excited to try this all. I just kept it for this video and I'll be using it. So this is a 20 ml product. It's not full size. I think the full size is 40 ml or 50, I don't know. And then we have Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam. This is also 30 ml sample size product, and this is all kit if you're looking for pore treatment. And this is the Jeju Volcanic Pore Toner. This is also sample size of 25 ml. One is of 100 ml, so I really am excited to try this one. And yes, this is the kit. We get 4 in it. I really like the limited edition kit because you save money. On top of it, if you buy certain amount, you get additional gifts. So it was really a quite good deal, and it was only for 1 day, so I grabbed whatever I wanted. I picked up this one. This is a winter skincare puzzle collection. This is also from Innisfree, and it's really nice as a book, and you have all the details on what all we have in this. Open it, you have all this product here like a puzzle. It's really pretty, and this is the main reason I've picked up this kit, because I wanted this one in the limited edition kit. So the first thing we get in this is this green tea seed serum in this beautiful packaging, and I already have this full size I have been using. I'm well loving this serum, and I thought it's good to have a backup when there is an offer, because the cost of this serum, with the cost of this serum you get this complete kit, so that was really nice. So this is the serum, and you get product worth of 80 ml in it, and it's really nice, a magical potion, I would say. If you've never tried any Korean product, I would really recommend you to go to Innisfree, because Innisfree has some really good skincare. Black green tea mask in it. So this is a black green tea mask, and green tea, I think everyone knows about green tea, but there's also something called black green tea, which is really beneficial than just the green tea itself. And this is of 30 ml. It's like good size product. Normally black green tea is something which is fermented and matured green tea. This is from Jeju. Jeju is an island, and you just have to use it as a traditional mask. All sealed up. I don't want to open it right now, and I will share a detailed review, so I'm just going, this is just a haul video, so I've got this one. Thing we get is this orchid enriched cream. So this is the orchid enriched cream of 20 ml. I really love this. I have never bought a full size of it. When I visited the store, I got a sample size when I joined as a member, and it's really nice, especially if you're someone with dry skin. You have to definitely try this on your skin. You will love this cream, and it's really expensive. I thought I don't want to buy a full size, but in this kit I've got it. It's like really nice of 20 ml. Then we have green tea sleeping pack. which comes in this tube, and this is enriched with squeezed green tea from Jeju Island to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. Sleeping pack, if you don't know what is sleeping pack, I've done a detailed review about Innisfree sleeping pack and also Body Shop sleeping pack. So sleeping packs are really good to, you know, intact and lock whatever the products you put in the night, and it gives a maximum benefit of it. So this is a 30 ml product. I really like the tube. It's really nice and good and convenient to use it. Thing in this kit is green tea mineral mist. I have heard a lot about this green tea mineral mist. I've Kaveri used it. She loves this mist, and I always wanted to, you know, get one and try for myself, but luckily they had in this kit, so it was really nice. So this is Jeju squeezed green tea, and it is enriched with green tea from Jeju to deliver the moisture, nourishment, and this is a 50 ml product. And yes, so this is the last one we have. So it's like, you know, bundle of everything, 5 products. I really love it. And the next limited edition stuff which I wanted was this 2017 holiday winter kiss lip set 1. I actually was skeptical to pick this one, but later when I saw that they have a sleeping pack for lips, so you have a sleeping pack for lip and lip balm, and I actually checked in Nykaa for sleeping packs. What I found was expensive, and this one was really good deal. It was expensive, but this still you get, like, you know, good deal. And this one is of 20 grams product. It's a lip sleeping pack with canola honey. Canola honey is really good for your lips. And here the packaging is pretty, and this is how the lip sleeping pack is. It's like, you know, any other traditional sleeping pack. You put it on your skin, this you have to put it on your lips, and I'm really excited to use it. And this also says it's like, you know, lightens the lip pigmentation. So along with that, I got this Innisfree lip balm. This is a glow tint lip balm. This is how the lip balm is, and with the cost of the sleeping pack I also got this. So this is the limited edition kit which I've got for my lips. Picked up their Innisfree capsule recipe pack. This is a wash off pack, and this is a canola honey one. It's 150 rupees. They have different packs. I've never tried the canola honey, so I want to try this one. And the last thing I picked up from Innisfree is the Jeju Volcanic Nose Pack, and this is specially for the blackhead care. So as I said, I started noticing the blackheads on my nose, so I want to try this. I tried the Faceshop one, it didn't work for me, so I thought I'll go to Innisfree. So this is 250 rupees, and you like get 6 sheets in this one. There was an offer, like, you know, if you buy a certain amount you get a sleeping pack of limited edition Christmas one for Innisfree free. So I got this one as free. So you have, like, you know, 4 sleeping packs here. Packaging is really pretty, and it's like you get green tea sleeping pack 2 of 20 ml each, and then you have orchid sleeping pack 2 of 20 ml each. When I open it, I have the sleeping packs here. So this is the green tea one, and then this is the orchid one. This is of 20 ml each, so it's of good size. I think the actual product is 50 ml, and I get 20 ml of 2, so it's like, you know, almost like, you know, I get this pack free, so it's really worth it. So yes, and I've got similar second gift because I made 2 orders. And from Faceshop they had an offer too, so I picked up the rice water bright foaming cleanser. I've already used this range normal cleanser, but I want to try a foaming cleanser, and this is a big tub of 150 ml. And I picked up their new launch Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Scrub Foam Muse Exfoliator, and this is of 150 ml as well. And this chia seed mist toner, I've already emptied one of their toners. I really liked it to my skin type, and I thought I'll try this form so I can spray it directly. And this is a huge bottle of 170 ml. And also I picked up one of their face cleansers on monk beans, but I kept it somewhere, I couldn't find it. I've got this one free, which has 3 of their hand cream set of full size, and the first one is cherry blossom, green tea and rose water. See, these are like full size hand creams. Yes, this is all I have picked up from the Korean range and during the holiday sale, and I hope you like this video. I'm excited that I've got so many things at discounted prices and also free gifts. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want me to review any of these, please let me know. I will note it down and do a review on it. Thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.